Welcome back to Trending Cars. Today we are stepping into a world where luxury meets mobility, and where the ultimate dream of traveling in first-class comfort is brought to life. We are talking about the all-new 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a masterpiece on wheels that redefines what it means to explore the road in style. This is not just a motorhome, it's an entire luxury mansion built into a moving work of art, combining Rolls-Royce's unmatched craftsmanship with cutting-edge technology. So sit back, relax, and let's take you through every single detail that makes this vehicle one of the most extraordinary creations of 2026. From the very first glance, the exterior of the Rolls-Royce Motorhome commands attention. It carries that iconic Rolls-Royce design language with its bold and elegant stance. At the front, you will instantly recognize the signature Pantheon grille, polished to perfection and illuminated with soft LED lighting that gives the motorhome a majestic glow, even at night. The spirit of ecstasy stands proudly above, reminding you that this isn't just any motorhome. This is a Rolls-Royce. The body is sculpted with flowing lines, seamlessly blending strength with elegance. The designers have used lightweight aluminum mixed with carbon fiber panels to keep the structure solid yet refined. Full LED matrix headlights with laser technology not only look futuristic, but also provide crystal-clear visibility on the darkest highways. The side profile stretches long and sleek, with retractable steps that glide out silently when you open the door, a detail that feels more like entering a private jet than a vehicle. At the back, the motorhome features a panoramic glass wall with subtle chrome accents, giving it both presence and sophistication. It's a design that announces luxury from every angle. Now step inside and prepare to be amazed. The interior of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is where the real magic happens. As the door opens, you are welcomed with soft ambient lighting that adjusts automatically to suit your mood. Rolls-Royce has used only the finest materials from around the world. We're talking about hand-stitched leather, real wood veneers polished for days, crystal accents, and custom embroidery that matches the owner's personal taste. The living area feels like a 5-star hotel suite. Plush sofas with built-in massage and heating functions are arranged in a lounge setting, while the ceiling above is crafted with the famous Rolls-Royce Starlight headliner, giving you a night sky experience no matter where you are. There's a retractable 65-inch OLED smart TV that disappears into the wall when not in use, and a state-of-the-art 3D surround sound system from Bespoke Audio that turns every movie night into a cinema experience. Moving further inside, the kitchen is designed not just for utility, but for elegance. It features marble countertops, induction cooking, a wine chiller, and smart appliances that can be controlled by voice command or through the Rolls-Royce app. Every drawer opens silently with soft close technology, and even the cutlery is engraved with the Rolls-Royce insignia. The dining area can easily transform into a work desk for those who wish to conduct business on the go. The bedroom suite is another masterpiece. A king-sized bed with memory foam and silk bedding ensures absolute comfort, while the walls are insulated for maximum silence. The panoramic glass roof above the bed gives you the option to gaze at the stars as you drift to sleep. There's also a walk-in wardrobe with automated lighting and a full-size dressing mirror. The bathroom is no less impressive, with a rainfall shower, gold-plated fixtures, and heated flooring. Everything inside this motorhome has been designed to make you forget that you are even traveling. It truly feels like a moving palace. Performance-wise, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome doesn't disappoint either. Underneath its luxurious body lies a powerful hybrid V12 engine paired with an advanced electric drive system. This combination delivers over 850 horsepower, giving the motorhome smooth yet commanding performance on any road. Despite its size, it accelerates effortlessly and maintains Rolls-Royce's legendary Whisper Quiet Ride. The adaptive air suspension system ensures that passengers feel no bumps or vibrations, and the advanced steering makes maneuvering this giant surprisingly easy. It also features all-wheel drive for maximum stability, and regenerative braking that helps recharge the battery system while driving. The electric mode allows the motorhome to run silently for up to 100 miles, perfect for entering cities with emission restrictions or simply enjoying complete silence in nature. Technology is at the heart of this motorhome. The digital cockpit includes a fully customizable 3D display that provides navigation, performance stats, and even live camera feeds around the vehicle for maximum safety. The Rolls-Royce voice assistant responds naturally to commands, whether you want to adjust the climate, open a window, or set a destination. Autonomous driving features are included, allowing the motorhome to drive itself on highways with full safety monitoring. Full safety monitoring. You can literally relax in the lounge while the vehicle handles the road. Now let's talk about the price, because a motorhome of this caliber is not just a purchase, it's an investment in luxury living. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome starts at around $2 million, but with customizations and bespoke options, that price can easily reach upwards of $3 million. Every single motorhome is handcrafted and tailored to the buyer's specific preferences, meaning no two models are exactly alike. Customers can choose from a wide range of interior themes, exclusive materials, and even custom paint finishes that match their personal style. Rolls-Royce has always been about exclusivity, and this motorhome is no exception. When you put it all together, the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome is more than just a vehicle. It's an experience, a lifestyle, and a statement of success. It combines the freedom of travel with the highest level of comfort and technology, something that very few vehicles in the world can offer. Whether you are crossing countries or simply enjoying a weekend getaway, this motorhome ensures that you never compromise on luxury. So that was our detailed review of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. A perfect blend of art, engineering, and pure luxury on wheels. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Trending Cars for more exclusive reviews of the world's most extraordinary vehicles. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.